Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. Mike here doing a quick unboxing video for you, and you can see here I got a new RC and I saw this online and I figured I'd give a go on this, and we'll get talking about what all happened to this thing. So I'll have a link in the notes where you can check this out. This will be a quick unboxing video, so let's get this video on the road. Let's go. So this thing came from AliExpress and it came in the box like this, and this thing got absolutely crushed. We got the gray bag of death that was around it, and inside there's no protection. There's just some cardboard over there. The radio was inside, and the car was on top of the other piece of cardboard. And this thing, I'll throw some pictures up right now, and as I took those with my phone, I might send those in, but the box got absolutely crushed and smushed, and the car was sitting inside of it, roof up to the top of the cardboard box over here, and it just got absolutely squashed and annihilated, and it is bent and creased, and I've done my best to pop it all back out. So yeah, we're going to do a review, and it's almost like kind of two reviews, because the review is how this thing was shipped and it got crushed, and then there's the review of actually how good is this RC. So it's cosmetic only. The body is pretty well crushed, but it's a sharp looking RC, I must say. And you might be wondering why I have this here, and until I realized when I saw the manual that came with it, this thing is HOSPEED. And that's what it says on the box over here. So HOSPEED, and HOSPEED makes this. So when you take this body off here, or I took the pins off, hopefully it comes off easily. And you get a look at that, and then you get a look at this, and you realize, holy smokes, this thing is virtually identical besides the body and the wheels. So there is a few minor differences, and we'll go over them quick. Now, don't get me wrong, this was actually a pretty good RC. This was like 45 bucks American or something, and it's pretty durable, and friction shocks, everything. It has a few annoying things. Screw to get to the battery tray, that was super annoying. Other than that, you didn't really have to deal with the body at all. It stays on. Here we got some extras on this thing. So you got a different radio. It takes 3 AA's. It's got that annoying screw on the bottom. You got steering trim and throttle, probably variable throttle, so that'll be interesting. Now the body, I think, looks really cool if it wasn't smashed and bent it all up. We'll get to talk about this in a second here, and it comes with these plastic clips that hold on the body clips with rubber bands on them. Those are really handy, and it's good to see these things. So you shouldn't lose any body pins on this. These are plastic engine parts that are screwed on from underneath. We'll quick talk what comes along with it here. You get a spoiler here, and in the bag over there. So a spoiler with screw on those 3 holes right over here. 1, 2, 3. You get a bag full of stuff inside. There's a screwdriver, there's the screws for the spoiler, you get the USB charger, and you get an extra dog bone in here. I'm not sure if that's for the drive shaft or if that is going out to the wheels, but it's kind of odd that there's only one in there. As far as I know, it's 4-wheel drive out of the box. You get a set of drift tires. It's kind of cool, all that. You get the regular manual, and also on the manual you have a picture of this thing. But anyways, we'll move on quick. Oh, and I forgot, and you may be wondering, what the heck is this? Maybe you noticed from the box, you might see that it like has an atomizer on the back side, and you fill up the water. You can unscrew this tank here and fill up the water, and it makes it look like exhaust coming out of the back. Kind of cool. LEDs on the front. Take the body off. I've already taken it off, obviously, to unbend it. There's lights there. You got a cable going to the speed controller here, this black one that powers the atomizer. And then also you have another light on the back. You got some LEDs, and we got a 5-wire servo going on here, and the rest is pretty standard fare. There's the antenna sticking out of the combo ESC receiver. Got a foam bumper on the front, friction shocks, everything. So if you can find parts for this thing, which I think you can replace them. Worst case scenario for me, we don't going to run this much. If this is better, we'll take the parts from here and fix this, but this hasn't broken yet. But I have to say, it doesn't get used as much, and it's not one my kids go to, but overall it's this is in the category, this is a real good one, and it's a good one to give away. It was a nice one to review, and this is a good starter vehicle. So the annoyance is that screw on the bottom on that battery tray. Don't like that at all. So you take this one here and you flip it over quick, and you realize, hey, they still got the same battery tray. It says you got a screw, but you don't. And it has this clip here, and you flip it towards yourself. It's kind of hard. People like me, they got fingers, and maybe I'll do that quick and we'll come right back. So I have it unlocked, so if it's facing, the battery tray is facing down here at the bottom, it rotates counterclockwise to unlock. No screw needed. They didn't even do the screw hole. It's still full solid plastic there, and inside you get your 1200 lithium ion battery here. So 2 pack here, and let's see if I can pull that out quick for you guys. It's in there pretty snug. That's another thing I don't like about it. Oh, there we go. And you're going to charge off the balance lead, and it's got that weird plastic end there. I don't know why they don't go Dean's or something like that, or JST even, but you got that goofy plug, and that's where they go, and all the wires sit tucked inside there. So that's the brief overview like this. We're going to do a running video quick soon about this too. Big thumbs down for how it was shipped and unprotected and squashed. I'm gonna have to contact AliExpress, see if I can get some money back, or they'll send me another body from the store. But we got a video and photo evidence of the garbage that went on, how it shipped. But overall, the RC is still in good shape, and we'll see how this thing goes. Maybe we can get this thing rocking to 30 kilometers an hour or something like that, and let's see how that exhaust works out. So thanks for tuning in to this again, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Peace, take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. All right.